Hello students, we have already discussed 6 parts on profit, loss and discount. This is the 7th part. In this part we will discuss about different formulas and related examples to find a marked price. Number 1, marked price is equal to sale price plus discount. If discount is given and sale price is given, then marked price can be calculated. Number 2, if discount percent and sale price of certain commodity is given, then marked price is equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percent multiplied by sale price. This is for single discount. If there are two successive discounts D1 and D2%, then marked price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D1% multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus D2% multiplied by sale price. If three successive discount percentage are given and sale price is given, then mark price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D1% into 100 by 100 minus D2% into 100 by 100 minus D3% into sale price of the commodity. Formula 5. If discount percent on the marked price and profit percent and profit are given in the question, that means three things are given. Discount percent is given. Generally discount percent is calculated on mark price. So discount percent is given, profit percent given and profit given. Three things are given. Then marked price on the commodity can be calculated by 100 divided by 100 minus D% multiplied by 100 plus profit percent divided by profit percent multiplied by profit. Example 1, this is for formula 2. Find marked price of the goods if sale price is rupees 925 and discount percent is 7.5%. Solution: sale price is 925 rupees, discount percent or D percent equal to 7.5% or 15 by 2%. Then mark price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D% multiplied by sale price. This is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D means 15 by 2 multiplied by rupees 925. This is equal to 100 into 925 divided by 2 into 100 means 200 minus 15 total divided by 2. Hence 925 multiplied by 100 means 92,500 divided by 185 by 2. And this 185 by 2 is reversely multiplied to 92,500. That means 92,500 multiplied by 2 divided by 185. This is equal to 500 into 2 or rupees 1000. Hence marked price on the commodity is 1000 rupees. Example 2 for formula 3. For a particular Sambalpuri shal, the central government allowed a discount of 30% and the state government allowed 20% discount respectively. It was sold for rupees 1400. Find the mark price of the shal. Solution: sale price of the shal is rupees 1400. Discount percent or D1% equal to 30% and D2% equal to 20%. So mark price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D1% into 100 divided by 100 minus D2% into sale price. Mark price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus 30, 100 divided by 100 minus 20 into 1400. 100 by 70 multiplied by 100 by 80 multiplied by 14%. This is equal to 10 by 7 into 10 by 8 into 1400. This is equal to 2500 rupees. Hence, mark price of the shawl is rupees 2500. Example 3 for formula 4. Suppose on a certain medicine meant for cardiology, the manufacturer offers 20% discount. The central government offers 30% discount, and after that the state government offers 10% discount. The patient paid rupees 504 rupees. Find its mark price. Solution. Sale price equal to 504. D1% means 20%, D2% 30%, and D3% equal to 10%. 100 divided by 100 minus D1 multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus D2 into 100 divided by 100 minus D3 into sale price. In all questions, the percentage sign is only used, but we need not calculate percentage, but simply we use D1% means 20%, that means D1 is equal to 20. We use 20. This is 100. 100 divided by 100 minus 20, not 0 minus. 100 minus 20 into 100 minus divided by 100 minus 30 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10 into 504. This is equal to 100 divided by 80 into 100 divided by 70 into 100 divided by 90 into 504. This is equal to 10 by 80, 8 into 10 by 7 into 10 by 9 into 504. This is equal to 1000. So, mark price of the medicine is 1000 rupees. Example 4 for formula 5. A dealer offered 20% discount on the market price of a musical instrument. By selling it, he earned a profit of 25%, which amounts to rupees 300. Find the market price. Discount percent or D percent equal to 20%, profit percent equal to 25%, and profit is equal to 300. So mark price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus D percent into 100 plus profit percent by 100, profit percent into profit. This is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus 20 into 100 plus 25 by 25 into 300 rupees. This is equal to 100 by 80 into 125 by 25 into 300 rupees. This is equal to 100 by 10 into 5 into 300 rupees. By simplifying, we get rupees 1875. Second method, without using the trick, by using unitary methods. Let marked price of the musical instrument is rupees X. Discount percent or D percent equal to 20%. And discount is equal to D percent of MP. Hence 20 by 100 into X. This is equal to X by 5 rupees. Sale price is equal to market price minus discount. This is equal to X minus X by 5. This is equal to 5X minus X. Means 5 into X equal to 5X minus 5 by 5. This is equal to 4X by 5 rupees. So cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into sale price equal to 100 by 100 plus 25 into rupees 4x by 5. We have already found to sell price is equal to 4x by 5. So this is equal to 100 by 125 into 4x by 5. This is equal to 16x by 25 rupees. So profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price is equal to 4x by 5 and cost price we have already found 16x by 25. By simplifying, we get LCM of denominator is equal to 25. So 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. 5 into 4x equal to 20x minus 16x. This is equal to 4x by 25. So according to the question, this profit is equal to 300 rupees. That is 4x by 25 equal to 300 rupees. Hence x is equal to 300 multiplied by 25 by 4. This is 4 by 25 is reversely multiplied. So this is equal to 300 divided by 4 equal to 75 and multiplied by 25. This is equal to rupees 1875. Hence, marked price of the instrument is rupees 875. Thank you all. I hope these examples will help you to understand the topic. Thank you all.